This is a pronunciation meme, and I am a unique case in that I have a very checkered background. My parents were from the Midwest, but we moved to Southern California when I was in second grade. I received most of my education in Southern California, but then upon graduation from college, I moved to Texas about 40 years ago. And I spent the first 5 years working on the African American side of town in the African American community, and then the rest of my teaching career was in the Hispanic community. And I'm married to a Texan, so I've had lots and lots of different linguistic background, various things. Now let's see, here are the words I'm supposed to read. Ant, route, wash, and my father used to say wash, but somehow we went into wash. Oil, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, sure, data, ruin, crayon, toilet, New Orleans, pecan, both, again, probably, spitting image, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, syrup, pajamas, and caught. Now I'm supposed to answer some questions. What is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? We call it toilet papering. What is the bug that when you touch it, it curls into a ball? I call it a pill bug. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? Now this is interesting. I call them sodas. When I grew up in California, we called them Coke, generically. And they say they do that here in Texas. However, my generation more says soda than Coke. I don't hear people my age calling it Cokes. I hear them say soda. And when I was teaching over in the African American community, they called it all soda water. What do you call gym shoes? Tennies. What do you say to address a group of people? You all, or sometimes you guys. What do you call the kind of spider that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs? Daddy long legs. What do you call your grandparents? I called my grandparents Mima and Beepa. However, my maternal grandmother, I called her grandmother because there was no calling her anything else, if you get my drift. She was grandmother. Anyway, my own parents were called Nama and Bopa. And I don't know where that came from. So it's interesting. I think now most grandparents are called whatever they wish to be called. I have a grandparent friend who is called Gigi. So I think that may be kind of an odd one. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? I call it a shopping cart. What do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? Here in South Texas, at this point, we call it a miracle. Seriously, I would just call it rain, but sometimes people call it liquid sunshine. And what is the thing you change the TV channel with? The remote.